Structural design and detailing is very, very easy. The reason why it seems hard to you is because you have not gotten a very good mentor. And to that's why we are hosting a live class in the month of May, which is this coming month. It's starting from the first day of May to the 31st of May. It is a live class, and we will be designing this structure. That is 8-bedroom duplex with a paint front. Hope you can see the paint front. We will be designing this structure, and this is the structural design. So definitely, this is what you'll be able to achieve at the end of the course. Yes, you'll be able to achieve this structural drawing. You'll be able to present a neat and well professional structural drawing like this at the end of the course. That's if you enroll. The uniqueness of this live class is that it is throughout the month of May. Yes, it's throughout the month of May, and we'll be holding 4 to 5 classes each week, and each class will be lasting a minimum of 1 hour. That's within the range of 1 to 2 hours. Just imagine you'll be spending the whole of May learning structural design and detailing. Yeah, it's very, very affordable. So this is the detailing. So definitely you'll be able to achieve this at the end of the course. Okay, look at this detailing. Now if you see the column on magentas, they are the column. Look at it. They are the columns on magenta. Look at it. Column stops at the current level. That means they are stopping at the current level. The column on blue. Look at it. Look at column starts from the preceding floor and continues. While the columns on green, this column stops at the current level. So you'll be able to learn this. So you'll be able to present a well knit, detailed and professional drawing like this. So I'll advise you, enroll. Is very, very affordable. It's very, very affordable. If you enroll now, from now to 26th of April, you'll be getting the cost at $100. Yes, but once 25th of April is, you'll be getting the course at $150. So the price of the course is $100, which is just the promo sale for those that will get the course from now till 26th of April. But after 26th of April, you'll be now be getting the course at $100. Please don't forget, I don't need too much people. I only need maximum of 10 people. Yes, maximum of 10. I will not go beyond 10. So the cost is currently at $100, but after the 26th day of April, yes, you will be getting the cost at $150. So basically, these are the things you are going to learn. So I want us to, let me just go over to our modeling. So this is the modeling in ProtaStructure. So definitely you'll be able to know how to model this. So if you see now, we're having beams introduced here for this paint front. Look at these beams introduced, and also look at, we're having a lot of floating columns. So if you see now, if for example now this column now is a floating column, this column now there's nothing underneath, so it's being supported by this beam. So it's a floating column, and it's transferring its load to this beam, meaning that it is acting as a point load to this beam. So you are going to learn all this once you enroll for this live class. Don't forget, this live class is only for 10 people maximum. I don't want crowd. I want people that I will teach, they will learn everything that concerns structural design and detailing. So it's only for 10 people. Once I get up to 10 people, the registration as you will be over. It will be closed. So if you see now, we have successfully designed it. Yeah, so definitely you'll be able to learn this. You'll be able to learn this. And two, if you want to get enroll for the course, you can contact the number on the screen. Yes, if you want to enroll for the course, you can contact the number on the screen. Just send a WhatsApp message. So let's just go go through what you are going to learn in the course again. So basically, we are designing this structure. This is the structure we are designing. This structure. This is 8-bedroom duplex with a paint front. This is the structure we are going to design. So we are going to learn the column positioning, and that's structural framing, modeling, analysis, design, and then detailing. How to perfect your detail. Okay, look at the first floor column layout. See how neat and well professional this is. So basically, this is what you will be achieving at the end of May. Yeah, once you enroll. Currently, if you are paying between now to 26th of May, you'll be paying $100. Yeah, $100. But once it exceeds 26th of May, yeah, you now be paying $150. So I'll advise you, take advantage of this promo offer from now to 26th. If you want to enroll, you can contact the number on the screen. Just send a WhatsApp message to the number on the screen indicating that you are interested to join the live class. Yes, the live class will be holding it throughout the month of May. 4 to 5 classes each week. And two, the each classes will be a minimum of 1 to 2 hours. Yeah, each classes will be a minimum of 1 to 2 hours. So if you see that this is a gram beam, this is sorry, not gram beam, this is print beam, and you know the function of print beam. Print beam is just to hold the columns together, so to prevent differential settlement. But more of this will be discussed in the class. Also, you also learn how to place your column in the class to ensure that your column is not just safe, but your column is economical. So you are going to learn how to present a professional drawing. I'm going to learn how to present a professional detailing once you enroll for this course. So take advantage of this course because it's a life-changing opportunity. You are going to master structural design and detailing. The best thing you can do for yourself is to invest in yourself. I know how I got good. I got good by investing in myself. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to invest in yourself. So take advantage of this opportunity throughout the month of May. I can assure you, by the end of May, you'll be able to present a well-knit, well-detailed, and professional structural drawing. Not just that, you know the fundamental engineering principles once it comes to what structural detailing, structural design and detailing, because that's basically what you are going to learn from the course. Also, look at, you are going to learn how to section a slab. Yeah, how to section a slab. Look at the slab section, and also how to detail a slab. Not just that, you're also going to learn how to detail a slab. How to detail a slab. Yes, we are also going to learn that. And then the uniqueness of this course is that we will be doing manual design. Yes, you are not just going to consume what the software gives you. There is aspects where we'll be showing you how to design a beam manually, calculation from the code. We'll be going to our code, we'll be picking out values from the code. So you are going to learn manual design once you enroll. This is a life-changing opportunity. Interested candidate should please send a WhatsApp message to this number on the screen. I need the maximum of 10 people. I don't want more than 10, because I want those that will enroll to actually gain value for their money. And if you are paying from now till 26th of April, you will pay $100. But once it exceeds 26th of April, you'll be paying $150. Take advantage of this promo offer. Invest in yourself. That is the greatest investment you can make.